Good morning, children. Sai Ram, and welcome back after a long break. Right? How do you feel now? Yes, I know you must be fresh. Yes, everybody must be fresh. No, after a break. Everybody needs break. No? Yes. So now you all are ready for the new videos? Okay, very good. So today we are going to revise lesson number 4 because let me see how much you must have learned. Okay. Yes. Okay. Before that, uh, I want to ask you that during this break, you must have done projects, right? Yes. Everybody has done. Okay, so these projects, keep it properly, safely, because you need to carry those projects to the school when school will reopen. Okay, so keep it properly. Yes, yeah. And I hope you must have got return work also. Yes, so lesson wise, we have given the written work. So you are supposed to learn by heart all the question answers which is given, objective type also, subjective type also, learn by heart. And if you want to just write down, you can write down in the rough notebooks. Okay. Otherwise, you can prepare for the exam. Written work is there with you. No need to copy it. Okay. Yes. And as you have English dictation, you will have EVS 1 and EVS 2 dictation also. Okay. So start preparing for EVS 1 and EVS 2 also, children. Okay. So I will better start with the hard words. Yes. So that you will revise them properly because you will have dictation also. All three subjects, that is English, EVS 1 and EVS 2. Fine. Yes, so start preparing and get ready. Okay. Yes, we'll start here. Revision of lesson number 4, directions and maps. Okay. See, few hard words we'll see. Location. Now what do you mean by location, children? LOCATION. Location means position. Okay, location means position, which we have already learned. Yes, direction, to direct somebody. Yes, go this way, that way, and this is direction. Okay. Determine means to find out. To find out exactly, or to find out some position, to find out some location of a thing or a person. Okay. To determine means to find out. Okay. Next, compass. Compass is an instrument. With the help of compass, we can find out the directions. Okay. Yes. Index. Yes. Why do we use index? With the help of index, we can read a map easily, or we can understand a map clearly. Okay. We can understand a map clearly. Fine. District. Okay. District. In which district do you live, children? We all live in Thane district. Okay, just revise. LOCATION. Location. DIRECTION. Direction. DETERMINE. Determine. COMPASS. Compass. INDEX. Index. DISTRICT. District. Okay. Yes. Now these are the talukas which are there in the Thane district, because you may have the question based on this. Okay, you need to write the names of talukas. So for that purpose, you need to learn by heart this spelling. So I have taken this also. Okay, Shahapur. 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 Okay. Bhivandi. BHIWANDI. Bhivandi. KALYAN. Kalyan. Ulhasnagar, Ulhasnagar. Ulhasnagar. Ambarnath, Ambarnath. Ambarnath. Murbad, Murbad. Murbad. Okay, we'll revise once. Shahapur, Shahapur. Shahapur. Bhiwandi. Bhivandi. Kalyan. Kalyan. Ulhasnagar. Ulhasnagar. Ambarnath. Ambarnath. Murbad. Okay, so children, please learn by heart this spellings. Okay, yeah, just tell me what are four main directions you must have learned. Yes, okay, very good answer. Yeah, so the four main directions are, yes, east, west, north and south. Correct. The four main directions are east, west, north and south. Good. Which is the direction opposite to the west, children? Yes, the direction opposite to the west is east. Very good. See, the direction opposite to the west is east. Okay, just revise after me. Okay, repeat after me. The four main directions are east, west, north and south. The four main directions are east, west, north and south. Good. The direction opposite to the west is east. Very good, children. Which is the direction opposite to the north? Yes. Which is the direction opposite to the north? Yes, the direction which is opposite to the north is south. Very good. The direction opposite to the north is south. Repeat after me. The direction opposite to the north is south. Yes. Which direction does the magnetic needle show? Yes, the magnetic needle shows north-south direction. Very good. The magnetic needle shows north-south direction. Okay, we'll repeat once. The direction opposite to the north is south. The magnetic needle shows north-south direction. Very good. What do we make use of to determine the east? Yes. How do we find out east direction? Yes. How do you come to know? Yes, by the rising sun. Very good. Okay. Great. So we make use of the rising sun to determine the east. Okay. We make use of the rising sun to determine the east. Children, repeat after me. Okay. We make use of the rising sun to determine the east. Very good. Yes. In which direction does the sun rise? Everybody knows this. Yes. Very good answer. East. Yes. So the direction in which the sun rises is the east. Okay. Repeat after me, children. The direction in which the sun rises is the east. Okay. Very good. Now, in which direction does the sun set? Yes, west. Very good. So, the direction in which the sun sets is the west. Okay. Repeat after me. The direction in which the sun sets is the west. Very good. If we stand facing west, which direction is behind us, children? Yes. Just think and tell me. Very good. If we stand facing west, yeah, the east is behind us. Very good. If we stand facing west, the east is behind us. Okay. And now if I ask you, if we stand facing east, which direction is behind us? Yes. Yeah, very good. Opposite, that is west. है ना? Correct. Okay. So please remember this. If we stand facing west, the east is behind us. And if we stand facing east, the west is behind us. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. Very good. If we stand facing north, which direction is behind us? See, I repeat, if we stand facing north, which direction is behind us? What is opposite to north? South. Very good. Okay, correct. So if we stand facing north, the south is behind us. Okay. And if I ask you, if we stand facing south, which direction is behind us? The answer is north. Very good. Good. Okay. So repeat after me. If we stand facing north, the south is behind us. Very good. And if we stand facing south, the north is behind us. Okay, children? Very good. Now, you can see one picture on the screen, right? Yeah. Only one direction is written there. What is written there? East. Okay. Now, with the help of that east direction, you are supposed to find out the remaining directions. Okay. Write the remaining directions. Can you tell me? Yes? Yes. What will you do? You will think of, first you will think of opposite to the east. Very good. That is, everybody knows, west. Yes, very good. Okay. So, west is opposite to the east. Okay. Now, remaining two, how will we find out? See, the right of east. Okay. Means to the right side of the east, and which is the left side of the west. That is always north. Okay. See, I repeat, the right side of the east, that is nothing but the left side of the west. Okay. That is always north. Okay. And everybody knows opposite to the north is, just now we have seen, opposite to the north is south. Yes. Easy. Very good. Yes. So these are the four main directions: east, west, north and south. Okay. Yes. Next. See now, based on this diagram, I'm going to ask you a few questions. Okay. Now Sarah wants to go to the bus stop. See, in that diagram, what you can see, bus stop is given, shown with the red dot. Okay, red circle, and ice cream shop is shown with the green triangle. Okay. So there, the location, near the green triangle is the location of the ice cream shop, and near the red circle, bus stop is there. Fine. Okay. So Sarah wants to go to the bus stop. Can you locate Sarah? Yes. Okay. Sarah wants to go to the bus stop. In which direction must she go? See, I will write the directions so that you will find it easy to answer. Yes. Now, can you answer me? Yes. Very good. North. Sarah must go to the north. Okay. Because bus stop is at the north. Yes. Very good. Now, next question. We'll repeat this once again. Sarah wants to go to the bus stop. So, in which direction must she go? Sarah must go to the north. Clear? Yes. Now, Amir wants to go to the ice cream shop. Everybody can find out where is the ice cream shop. Yes. In which direction must he walk? See, Amir should go to the, see, I'll write so that it will be easy for you. Yes. So Amir should go to the west. Okay. Very good. See, Amir must go to the west. Clear, children? Yes, very good. Now, name the instrument. What is this? The name of this instrument is compass. Very good. And what is the use of this compass? To find out the directions. Okay. And can you see the magnetic needle at the center? Yes, that shows which direction. That shows that always lies north south direction. Okay, you can easily see there clearly. Yes, okay. So this is compass. Okay, the name of the instrument is compass. Clear? Very good. Now children, this is the map of Thane district talukas. Okay, which we have already learned. Yes. Now, can you see the index at the upper? Yes, see this one. The index, upper side, left corner, index. Now, see district boundaries. We have already learned, but still I am revising this. District boundaries, boundary is shown with the dark dotted line. Taluka boundary is shown with the light dotted line. District headquarters is shown with the dark means dark dot encircled, which is encircled, and taluka headquarters is shown with the small dark dot. Okay, yes, this is index. Now children, the names of the talukas which are hidden. Okay, you're supposed to tell me those, because you need to learn by heart the spellings also, and you should know the talukas which are there in our district. Okay, so first one we are going to see, this is Shahapur. Okay, Shahapur, this is nothing but the taluka in Thane district. Okay, yes, next is Bhivandi. This is Bhivandi. Okay, next is Kalyan. The third one is Kalyan. This is Ulhasnagar. Okay, Ulhasnagar. Next is Ambernath. We have already learned this. We are just revising. Okay, and this is Murbad. Okay, so what all talukas are there? See, Shahapur, Bhivandi, Kalyan, Ulhasnagar, Ambernath, Murbad. These all talukas are located in, situated in which district? Thane district. Okay, we'll just revise once. Okay, see, Shahapur, then Bhivandi, Kalyan, Ulhasnagar, Ambernath, and Murbad. Okay children, I hope this is clear. I know you must have learned, you must have prepared the activities which are based on map. Okay, and you must be finding it easy by the time now. Clear? So prepared well. Okay, and thank you. We are going to meet in the next class. Fine? Till then, revise. Okay? Bye.